Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, a tech coach here in Kentucky, and in today's video I'm going to share with you one of those little known helpful tips of the tech assistance trade, one of those best kept secrets that many of you may not realize exist. So stay with me and I'm going to show you how to begin the troubleshoot process when one of your programs doesn't work. Before you ever call that IT help desk number or email your tech coach, I'm going to show you something that you can Google before you reach out. So stay with me. Alright, so here we are just at a Google search screen. You're at that crossroads of saying, oh my goodness, I can't get into my Google account, or I can't get into X program or Y program. I need to email my tech coach, or I need to put in a help desk ticket. I've got to get this working. But I have a little tip for you. So let's start with Google. Let's say you're trying to sign into Google here and it's giving you some strange network error or service error or something to that effect. Let me just show you a quick thing to go and Google. So come up to the search bar and type the word status and type the word Google. And notice one of the first things that come up here is Google Workspace Status Dashboard. If I click that, I'm going to get what I hope is a bunch of green check marks telling me that things are up and running. There's Google Sheets, Google Meet, Google Forms. All of those have a status of A-OK right now. They are available. If there was a service disruption or an outage, you would see the orange exclamation mark or the red X. Now let's try another program. So here at our school, we use Canvas as a learning management system for our middle school and high school. So again, I'm going to type the word status and I'm going to type the word Canvas. And again, one of the first things that come up is Instructure, which is the platform Canvas is under. And I click that and it tells me all systems operational. And then it shows me what's going on. And then it'll show you a history of incidences that may have been reported in the past. Another program we use is Cami for filling in PDFs and such. If I type in status, Cami, here it is, status.camihq.com. Click on it. And it will tell me if the system is operational. And on many of these programs, you can even subscribe to updates. So for example, I help with the administration of our GoGuardian filtering and screen monitoring system. So I'm able to subscribe to updates and I get those directly to my email. Or again, if I type in status GoGuardian, it will give me a screen and I don't even have to subscribe to it. I can just see what's going on. Filtering is up and running. The teacher dashboard to monitor screens, it's all operational, and so on. And then it will show you various incidences. For example, on this date, there was a performance issue, and it will show you from the bottom up that they are investigating, they've identified the problem, and when they have resolved it. And this is the same information you will get if you subscribe to the updates. So again, you can do that with several programs that you use at your school throughout the week, throughout the day for your teaching purposes. So just a little tip and trick if that kind of thing interests you and you want to be the first person in charge of your own troubleshooting. Try just Googling the word status and the program. Not everything out there will come up with that kind of a status dashboard, but many things will. So enjoy and happy troubleshooting. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something you found useful. But be sure, before you leave, to like and subscribe using the buttons at the bottom so you're able to find more of my videos for your future tech needs. I hope that you have a great day, be blessed, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.